Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will be talking about exploratory data analysis. So what is exploratory data analysis? It is the most exciting and important step as it helps us to build familiarity with the data and extract useful insights. If we skip this step, then we might end up using inaccurate models and choosing the insignificant variables in our model. Here, model basically means the mathematical algorithm that will be used to solve our problem. In this step, we will be using descriptive statistic concepts such as central value measures and variability measures to understand the data. Visualization methods such as graphs, plots are really important as this phase allow us to understand the data better. Uh, we will in exploratory data analysis we will learn about how to construct a bar graph with overlay using Python, how to construct contingency tables using Python, how to construct histograms with overlay using Python, and how to perform binning used based on predictive value using Python. Now let's move let's move to the Google Colab so that we can perform these steps. Constructing a bar graph with overlay. For constructing bar graphs with overlay are used to compare the multiple category visually. In Python, we can achieve this plotting of bar graph using matplotlib or seaborn. Here we have here we have imported the matplotlib.pyplot as PLT library. In this example dataset, we can see data as column category A, B, C, D, values as 10, 15, 20, 25 and values 2 as 12, 18, 22 and 30. We have created a data frame of the above dataset. Now we will do a overlay, plot a graph with overlay. So what are overlays? Overlays are particularly useful to highlight relationships, differences or patterns between the datasets or variables. Here we have plotted a graph with bar graph with overlay. We can also add the labels and the legends on the overlay. So here output is shown as a overlay is created for of values 1 and 2 showing difference between them, as you can see on the output. Now let's move to constructing contingency tables. A contingency table shows the frequency distribution of variables often used for categorical variables. This is the example datasets and we have converted into a data frame. We have created a contingency table using contingency table is equal to pt.crosstab. In this we have defined that column gender and purchased. So here is the contingency table which analyzes the frequency of distribution of the variables. Now we move towards histogram with overlay. Histograms with overlay allow us to compare the distribution of two variables. This is the example dataset. As you can see, data 1 is equal to np.random. This numpy is used to analyze the numerical data. Here we have done np.random.normal. In the brackets we have put 50, 10, 100, random data with mean 50 and standard deviation 10. Plot histogram with overlay. Now we are plotting the histogram with overlay with the plt.hist command. Data, bins and alpha value we have given as 0.7 and label we have given as data 1, and we have given color to the data 1 as blue and color to the data 2 is as orange. We have plotted the labels and the legend. Now plt.show command shows the histogram. As you can see, this histogram, it is with an overlay the blue values are of data 1 and the yellow values are of orange values are of data 2. Performing binning based on predictive value. Binning is a technique that groups continuous data into intervals, bins, that helps simplify the data for analysis. In binning, we create groups of continuous data that are bins. So let's see. In example dataset, we have taken a column as age and target. We have defined the bins and labels here. Bins are 0, 20, 40, 60, 80 and 100, and labels are 0 to 20, 21 to 40, 41 to 60 and 61 to 80 and 81 to 100. Performing binning. DF age group we have given the name, and pd.cut we have given this column, and we have defined here the binning. We have done here the binning, and now we are displaying the data frame with bins. Analyze the target by age group. We can analyze the target by age group with help of binning. Here we can see data with, in the output we can see data with binning, age, target, age group. We have already defined this groups 0 to 20, 21 to 40, and here it the command, the code has done the binning of the data. Predictive value analysis by age group is also done here. So that's it for this video. Now we will meet in next video.